The next on the list is Grammarly. I hope most of you might be using this extension because it is highly productive and it saves a lot of time and it gives you instant results with just a double click. So what it does is basically it gives synonyms, it spell checks your words, and it helps correct your grammar. So all of these things are clubbed into this Grammarly extension. So let us see how it works. Here I have opened a page, information technology, and this is the icon for Grammarly. You just click on that and let's set the settings first. So this one is it will automatically check for writing suggestions for every page. This is already checked. Now the second option says show definitions and synonyms by double clicks. Yes, obviously we would like to. So whenever you double click on any word or any letter, then it will show definitions and its synonyms for all of the sites on whichever site you are. And if you want to correct spellings automatically, then it would correct it. Or if you want some options, then you can turn it off. So I would like to turn it on, and then you can select your language. I write in American, British, Canadian, English, whatever. So I'm selecting American English, right? So now here we have set up this page, and let's say I'm reading this page and I found out something like which I don't understand. So let me click. Let's see, I want to use you I want to look for the word modern. So here you can see Grammarly has given a definition and its meaning to me, pertaining to a current or recent time style. All right. Similarly, I can click on any other letter and it will give me more options. All right, so this is really helpful when you are writing some. It is also helpful in writing emails or writing some blogs online or writing on Twitter or any other online platform where you like to be specifically correct with your language. Then you should consider Grammarly, and I hope all of you might be having this. So you all should have this extension Grammarly. It is such a really helpful tool. Now moving on. And now moving on to the last extension of this series, the Extensity. So when you have a lot of extensions, it becomes really hard to manage them, and so there comes Extensity to the rescue. You can quickly enable and disable Google Chrome extensions using this Extensity extension. So this is the Extensity extension, and here you can see all these extensions which are active right now. They are visible, and I can click on any one and I can change its settings. See, I have disabled this extension, read aloud, I want to disable it. One tab, I want to disable it. Grammarly, I want to disable it, or I want to not disable it. Just click and unclick to disable or enable an extension. And these are the settings button if you want to change some settings regarding the particular extension. So this is really easy to manage, and this saves your RAM also from crashing, since you can enable only those extensions which you are using, and you can disable all those extensions which you are not using, because all of them take up some of the RAM, and then they decrease your performance of your computer. So this is how it works, and that's all for the extensions. Well, there are enormous number of extensions and we cannot cover each and everything. So we have tried our best to cover each and every extension that is useful for teachers and that can be used in daily teaching learning pedagogy. Hope all of you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.